This is your cranium. This jaw right here is your mandible, and your neck bone, your collarbone, I mean, is your clavicle. Your neck bone is your clavicle. And these little fingers are called phalanges. Did you know that? That is one of my favorite parts, phalanges. And here is his.
He doesn't know what you're saying, sis.
Here is his, the one right here that connects to your ribs.
Yes.
Is called a sternum. Sternum. And then the one behind it, your back, is called your vertebrae. It's called a vertebrae. And this right here, like your bladder, kind of, is called your pelvis. I don't think you ever heard of Elvis, but he does this. No.